Good morning from sunny Jamaica. About 88 degrees right now, and it's about 88 degrees 4 or 5 hours ago, and it's about 88 degrees about 12 hours ago, and it's about 88 degrees yesterday morning. It just stays 88 degrees here. Check out that bird, or whatever you call him. He's hunting crabs right now. I'm hoping to film him getting one. That's what I'm working on here. He's looking for breakfast. And off he goes. Ass in the water and toes in the sand.